Hi guys, Aaron here. Happy Chinese New Year, happy year of the ox. So wish everybody a happy year, prosperous year and a healthy year for everybody. And today I'm going to bring you to a place that all car lovers in Singapore will love to go. Where if you want to buy car detailing products or you want to buy accessories for your car, this is a place to go. So most of you will go to supermarket or petrol station to get your accessories or car shampoo to wash your car, to clean your car, but they don't carry a lot of items. There's a really lack of variety in these places. So the shop that I'm going to bring to you is like a mega mart for car accessories. They have car wipers, they have engine oil, they have car detailing products, shampoos, waxes, sealants, they have cloths, they have tools for you to clean the car, they have entertainment systems, they have dashcam camera, air freshener, car wipers, and they even do servicing for your car over there. So why not let me bring you to the place and show you hour by hour what they have in store for you. So without delay, let's go. So we are here now at Autobacs, and this is a place where you can buy all your car stuff if you need them. Over here you can see all the engine oils, for ETF, VCT oil, CVT oil, for AMSOIL, you have Gulf, HKS, Motul, Mobil, Honda, almost any major brands you can find here. And all these additives for your car battery. Lots of brands here. Cabin filter. All your hardware tools to do your trims. Wheels and tires. Air fresheners. So Autobox is a Japanese brand, so you can expect to see a lot of Japanese products here. See, made in Japan. Sexy rich. I also want to be sexy and rich. Sonics.
Hey, you want the red, right?
William Shine detailer, interior detailer. Rated stuff, wheel cleaner. Spray and seal. More air freshener. Car storage management stuff. Extra pockets to put your phone, put your wallet. Get tires and your rims here as well. Get hooks. So many random stuff here. Phone holder, phone mounts. You got clip on the magnetic type. Everybody trying to get stuff to clean their car for the new year. Here we have Autobacs. For the latest product, Autobacs Hybrid Solutions. Let's see and shine, improve formula. This Armor, won't recommend. Stuff for your power charging in the car, 12-volt socket and stuff like that. Steering wheel covers, got plenty to choose from. Your IU unit cover, Such sticker trims to protect your door edges, doctor shade, car, magnetic car shades, all the different mix here. Sunshade, more sun protection stuff, cleaning equipment. The dusters, the squeegee to dry the car, brushes for the wheel wells. Wheel detailing brush, sponge, more equipment, your pressure washer. It's new. This is a blower. What's this? Vacuum cleaner, mobile vacuum cleaner from Works. Works cordless polisher. And we got more vacuum stuff. Got different kinds of tape, double-sided tape. Clay towel, clay ball, clay meat, or you have a traditional kind of clay. But even got a clay sponge. Is it any good? Clay sponge. Wash with warm water before first use. If dropped, simply rinse clean. Do not use when surface is hot. Do not store in direct sunlight. Store at room temperature. Wash vehicle free of dust, sand and dirt before using clay sponge. Clay side down, rub smoothing bar of vehicle surface using water. Allow clay to glide on water. Not bad. You only need this and water. No clay lube. No traditional clay. Some plastic here. We'll do the trim and the tire emblems of the car. Extra paint for touch up if you need them. Then you have your car protection, soft 99, Fuso F7 coat. You got the duck and the light. Good stuff. More soft 99, Kiwami black wax, King of Gloss black and white version. The Fuso coat. But big bottle of stuff here, advice. Not permitted to get big bottle, but if you really use them, it makes more sense. Chemical guys. Let's see what they have here. It's the pink VO7 Hydro Stick Ceramic Coating Autobacs Microfiber Wash, the Citrus Car Wash, Rings Free Wash and Shine. Probably you can dilute that to use it as your clay lube. Auto Wash for satin and matte finish cars. Hydro Charge Ceramic Spray Coating. Wow, not cheap. 303. We've got Mothers. 3M stuff. Pretty decent, good price. What do you got? Honeydew Snow Shampoo. Probably got their inspiration from chemical guys. What else do you have here? Yeah. Not very interesting brands. You got your sponge, microfiber application pad. What else is this? Sponge pad for you put your sweat cloth and then you can put your ceramic coating. drying tower from Maguire's, water magnet drying tower, crystal clear glass cloth for your glass, all types of microfiber cloth. This all cloth. You've got a microfiber waffle weave tower, good stuff. Water eliminator, good stuff as well. Sponge and microfiber wash mitts. This kind of wash mitts is the best to use. Avoid using sponge. What else I have? Let's go. Actually, I'm here to also get some stuff for myself. Get some cloths, towels to use. There. Honeydew Snow Foam Auto Wash. Same as the one that we got. So from Bodyguard. All microfiber cloth, different types of color, size, thickness. Some emergency stuff. You got your triangle. Some stuff from Karcher. This is the one that I have. Karcher K2 Solomon Cordless Pressure Washer. You have your boot mats. This is for Honda Fit. Child booster seat. Seat covers. Matters. Car mats. 3D printed car mats. Very nice. Easy to maintain. Seat cushion. Extra seat cushion for your backside. More seat cushions. Why do they sell so many seat cushions? Your 3M coil mats for your car. Cheap. Good. Better than Matters car mat. Better than Trapo. More car mats here. Cushion for your back. Cushion for your neck. You see? Wheel lock in case you need to go to JB, but probably can't go even this year, so before the Causeway to open, before you come and buy your wheel lock. What's it? Metal pedals, window visors, Hella car horn, wipers, Autobacs brand, we got Hella and Bosch Aero Twin, Bosch Clear Advantage. And lastly, this section is for your glass window cleaning stuff. Got Remax, Maguire's, glass cleaner, what else? Glaco Ultra. This is the best stuff for your window. Not bad. Good. Then you can see all your water fly off your windscreen. Okay. That's all we have. Just a walk around Autobacs. This place you can get all your car stuff. So now it's my turn to go shopping. See you next time. Thanks for watching, guys, and last thing to the end of the video, if you like the content, don't forget to like the video, don't forget to click the subscribe button and bell icon so that you can get notified if there are any future videos. Bye bye, Happy New Year.